লোক 20 বছরের বয়স হয়ে গেছে, একবার ভারতে যায়নি। কেন সেটা হয় সেটার কোনো উত্তর আমার কাছে নেই। আমার মনে হয় আপনারা যারা বাংলাদেশ থেকে আছেন তাদের অবশ্যই এটা বোধহয় আর একটু ভালো হবে, আরো ঘন ঘন যান। যেটা প্রয়োজন আছে, এই বিশ্বটা কিন্তু কেবল একটি এক ধরনের দেখতে হবে, এক রকমের বলতে হবে, এক ভাষা বলতে হবে, সেজন্য তৈরি নয়। ঈশ্বরের বিভিন্ন ভাষা, বিভিন্ন ধর্ম, বিভিন্ন জাতীয় মানুষ সৃষ্টি করেছেন। সবাইকে মিলে এই বিচিত্র বিশ্ব, এই বৈচিত্র্য বজায় রাখতে হবে, এবং সেখানেই আসে এই সংস্কৃতির বিষয়টা।
Maharaj, there are people who are local from nearby Detroit. These are very established people and very highly devoted. They are working relentlessly for Indian culture and everything that is Indian and related. They're friend of Bangladesh. They are here to support this cause. So, thank you very much for coming here to be with us. For me, it is not only, not as Consul General alone I have come here. I have also come here for somebody who has studied in Ramakrishna Mission for 9 years. And I come from a very, some village where if I stayed there, I would have never been a Consul General or a Foreign Service officer. It's because of Ramakrishna Mission I'm here. And I believe that there are many, I can see some of the young volunteers here. There are many, but of course they are possibly, most of them are born in this land of opportunity, but they can bring out their best in personality and everything if they hold on to their culture. And that would be possible if the dream that we are having today, to have a large temple complex, people to come together, and again it is open to all, for all faith, for all people, if they come together and practice in what they believe. Thank you once again. I don't want to prolong. There are so many things that I want to talk about, but there are speakers who you see on YouTube, but they are here in front of you. So, I must spare more time for them. And সবাইকে আমার নমস্কার জানিয়ে, ঠাকুরমা স্বামীজিকে আমার প্রণাম জানিয়ে তার বক্তব্য শেষ করছি। আবার দেখা হবে।
Thank you, Mr. Ghosh. We truly appreciate your presence and the valuable time you are spending with us. I have an announcement. Pai Roy Ganguly, who came from Chicago, she is now ready to leave, but she can't get her car out because there is a car that's blocking her. The license plate number is EWL 9894. It's a Lexus SUV. So once again, the license plate number is EWL 9894.
গাড়িটা কি গাড়ি?
If you know your car, please help her to get home. Get back home.
अच्छा गाड़ीটা Lexus বলে দাও না?
It's a gray Lexus EWL 9894. Once again. Alright. Our next speaker is Dr. Devashish Medha. Dr. Medha is an American physician, philosopher, peace activist, poet, seer, and author. He is well known for his heartfelt dedication to social work. Dr. Medha was recently appointed by the Governor of Michigan to the Board of Directors at
পূজা অর্চনা আপনাদের সবাইকে নিয়ে থাকা সেটা করবে। বাচ্চাদের মধ্যে যারা পরবর্তী প্রজন্ম রয়েছে